One TV special report.
Honorable Neri,
Present.
Honorable Puente Cipres, Honorable Lin, Honorable Ko, Honorable Romero Risican, Honorable Suiso Jr., Honorable Lau, Honorable Sakin Jr., Honorable Tapayan, Honorable Salvador, Honorable Waminal Jr., Honorable Doctor, Honorable Chapilio, Honorable Bation. There are 13 members present, including the Honorable Presiding Officer.
There being 13 members present, the Chair declares a quorum. May I request the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the order of business.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Good afternoon. Due to the absence of any guests to use our people's hour, we proceed directly to item number 5, approval of the agenda for the day. There are about 7 proposed written insertions, Honorable Chair, to be included in our order of business. First, for us to pass a resolution approving the conduct of the quarterly distribution of Community Association's monthly statement of accounts on 20 to 22 and 27 to 29 October and 3 to 5 November 2023 by Social Housing Finance Corporation, Northwestern Mindanao Office in Asamin City. The second written request is for us to enact a resolution approving the conduct of creative industry and take startup clusters, focus group meetings by the Department of Trade and Industry, Provincial Office in Asamin City. The third written request is for us to pass a resolution approving the conduct of signages, installation of DNR, MMR, and NP, PAMO in barangays Ginguna, Gimad, Trigos, and Esteem San Abordo on 7 to 31 October 2023 by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Provincial Office in Asamin City. The fourth written request is for us to enact a resolution approving the conduct of the 2023 Census of Agriculture and Fisheries survey on 17 to 30 October 2023 by PSA Provincial Office in Asamin City. The fifth, Honorable Chair, is for us to pass a resolution approving the conduct of monitoring and evaluation and accreditation on ACPS and Consulta with the maternity care package, healthcare facilities, and rural health unit and municipal health office in Misamis Occidental on 18 October 2023 by the PhilHealth Misamis in Misamis City. The sixth written request, Honorable Chair, is for us to pass a resolution approving the conduct of the 2023 BSK activities from 19 to 25 October 2023 by Comlec Osamis in Osamis City. The last but not the least, the seventh request is for us to pass a resolution approving the conduct of provincial eliminations for the 27th Philippine Statistical Quiz or PSQ of Misamis Occidental on 19 October 2023 by PSA Provincial Office in Asamin City. With this 7 proposed written instructions, Honorable Chair, to be included in our order of business, I move for approval of the agenda for the day on joint motion, Honorable Chair.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with 7 inclusions as being manifested. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 6, approval of the minutes of previous sessions. A. Bale, Espones, Capes, or the minutes of our regular and official sessions on August 25, August 29, and 30, 2020, Honorable Chair, and I guess everybody was able to peruse and examine the quotation of. Accordingly, I move this motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes for the previous regular and special sessions on August 25, 29, and 30, 2023, and approve the said minutes in toto, Honorable Chair.
Moved by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to dispense the reading of the approval of the minutes of the previous sessions, considering that everybody has been furnished of the copy as of August 25, 29, and 30 minutes regular and special sessions. Move for its approval by the Majority Floor Leader. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 7, first reading representatives. Please proceed to letter C. Petition to request for first reading. Number 1, 2023 Supplemental Budget Number 2 of Barangay Gutukan Youth in amount of 60,000 duly endorsed by the acting city budget officer for approval. I now yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable Jan Ocdor, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
On item number 1, Honorable John Doctor, you are now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. With regards to the request of Barangay Gutukan Youth for their 2023 Supplemental Budget Number 2 in the amount of 60,000, I move for first reading, Honorable Chair, with reservations.
Moved by the Honorable Doctor to pass this on the first reading with reservations as being manifested.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to its urgency and necessity of implementing the said supplemental budget, Honorable Chair, for Barangay Gutukan Youth, and of course, it was duly endorsed by our budget office for our approval. So I so move, Honorable Chair, for second and final reading, waiving our internal rules on joint motion, Honorable Chair, the supplemental budget number 2 of Barangay Gutukan Youth in the amount of 60,000.
Due to the urgency of this request from Barangay Gutukan Youth, move by Honorable Doctor to pass this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. This 2023 Supplemental Budget Number 02, Barangay Gutukan Youth, in the amount of 60,000 pesos. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Leader D, Message and Communications. Number 1, Executive Order Number 23-ACOG-30A, realigning items in the provisions under the Personal Services of City Veterans Office and moving amount of 225,765. This is the order, Honorable Chair, realigns the amount of 225,765 from the account of other personal benefits mid-year to the account of life and retirement insurance premiums of the City Veterans Office, which needs to be augmented to cover the premiums contributions with GSIs and other retirement benefit system. Accordingly, I move to adopt and concur with Executive Order Number 20-ACOG-30A on joint motion for approval on the first reading with reservations, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. On Messages and Communications, item number 1, moved by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to adopt this Executive Order number 23-HFOGA. Move for its approval on the first reading with reservations.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to urgent demand of public interest to espouse sound fiscal management, which is necessary to foster sustainable development, I move this motion to concur and adopt Executive Order Number 23-HFOG-30-A for approval on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Honorable Chair.
Due to the urgency of this executive order, the Majority Floor Leader move to concur and adopt this executive number 23-HFOG-30A realigning items in the appropriations under the personal services of the City Veterinarian's Office involving the amount of 225,765. Move for its adoption on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 2, Executive Order Number 23-HCOG-39, realigning items in the operations under the maintenance and other operating expenses of City Mayor's Office involving the amount of 277,083 pesos. This Executive Order realigns the said amount of 277,083 from the account furniture, fixture, box, and semi-expendable to the account office equipment, semi-expendable in the maintenance, other operating expenses for peace and order program under City Mayor's Office. I now therefore move on this motion to concur and adopt Executive Order Number 23-HCOG-39 for approval in the first reading for distributions, Honorable Chair.
On messages and communications, number 2, move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to concur and adopt this executive order on the first reading with reservations.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to the demand of public interest to espouse sound fiscal management, which is necessary to foster sustainable development in our city, I move this motion to adopt and concur Executive Order Number 23-HCOG-39 for approval on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Honorable Chair.
Due to the urgency of this request, move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to concur and adopt this Executive Order Number 23-HFOG-39, realigning items in the appropriations under the maintenance and other operating expenses of the City Mayor's Office involving the amount of 277,083 pesos. Move for its approval on the second and final reading, waiving the rules on its adoption.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 3, Executive Order Number 20-HCOG-40, realigning items in the operations under the maintenance and other operating expenses of the City Treasury Office involving the amount of 25,000. This order realigns the amount of 25,000 from the account advertising expenses to be aligned to the account repairs and maintenance transportation equipment motor vehicle under the office of the City Treasurer's Office, Honorable Chair. I move for approval of the concurrence and adoption of this order number 23-HCOG-40 on the first reading with reservations, Honorable Chair.
On item number 3, messages and communications, presented by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to concur and adopt this executive order number 23-HFOG-40 for its adoption on first reading with reservation.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to urgent demand of public interest to espouse sound fiscal management, which is necessary to foster sustainable development or LGO, I move this motion to concur and adopt Executive Order Number 20-HCOG-40 for approval on the second and final reading, waiving the general rules, Honorable Chair.
Due to the urgency of this request, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader is passing this Executive Order number 23-HFOG-40, realigning items in the appropriations under the maintenance and other operating expenses of the City Treasurer's Office involving the amount of 25,000. Moved by the Majority Floor Leader for its concurrence and adoption. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We now move to resolutions of the Sangguniang Panliligan of Misamis Occidental with item number 4, resolution number 558-23 is approving in part ordinance number 1257-23 of the Sangguniang Panliligan of Misamis, an ordinance creating the Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering Division under the Office of City Mayor and funding of its corresponding engineering positions. This approval in part, Honorable Chair, is only due to a very slight defect of the position title. So, I now yield to the previous sponsor of this ordinance, Honorable Chairman of the Committee on Agriculture, Honorable Sani Waminal, to introduce and recommend an amending ordinance to correct the slight defect, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Sancho Waminal is hereby recognized by the Chair for some amendments on this resolution. You are now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair and Majority of Floor Leader. Good afternoon, everyone. This sample representation would like to pass an ordinance amending ordinance number 1257-2023, an ordinance creating the Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering Division under the Office of the City Mayor and funding of its corresponding engineering positions, incorporating the recommendation of the Sangguniang Panliligan as reflected in this resolution number 558-23 dated September 4, 2023 to correct the position title of Engineer 4 Head to Engineer 4 be approved on first reading with reservation. On joint motion, Madam Chair.
On first reading with reservations. On first reading. with
First
reservations.
reading with reservation.
Motion
Madam Chair.
approved.
Madam Chair, with reservation because this ordinance has already been reviewed by this Sangguniang and the concerned committee and the Sangguniang Panliligan as well. And the only position title has to be changed.
Okay.
And due to its necessity, I therefore move that the same be approved on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules of this Sangguniang. On joint motion, Madam Chair.
On joint motion, moved by the Honorable Sancho Waminal Jr. To pass this resolution per ordinance creating for the changes of its title.
Title 558.
5.5.
Position title, Madam Chair.
Position title, the changes of the position title only. Is there any other comments, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved for its amendments. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 5, resolution number 582-23, approving the resolution number 137-2023 of the Sangguniang Panliligan of Misamis, approving the 97 program project activities of 2023 General Fund, supplemental budget number 3 in the amount of 28,042,061 centavos to be integrated in the 2023 supplemental emission program. Honorable Chair, this approval of our budget, I recommend that this will be journaled in the record City Council, Honorable Chair.
On item number 5, moved by the Honorable Majority of Floor Leader that this be just duly noted. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. In the same manner, in item number 6, resolution number 599-23 of the Sangguniang Panliligan of Misamis Occidental, approving ordinance number 1277-23 of the Sangguniang ordinance which authorized the temporary closure of portion of Zamora Street, corner Washington and Sultan Street, portion of Comisario Street, corner Gladys Street, and portion of Washington Street, corner Zamora and Gladys Street on 20 September 2023 at 12 noon until 12 midnight. on 22 September 2020 for the launching of Palinga program in San City. I again recommend that this resolution number 59923 of Lamutigan be just duly noted and recalled City Council of Chair.
On item number 6, moved by the majority floor leader, this resolution number 599-23 be just duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 7, resolution number 600-23 of the Second Republican ratifying the memorandum of agreement entered into by Honorable Governor Henry Isaminal on behalf of the provincial government of Science and with the different local government units of this province, represented by its respective chief executives or duly authorized representative pertaining to the use of ambulance and rescue vehicles issued to the local government units. I again move that this resolution of the Second Republican be just duly noted in the record of our City Council, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. On item number 7, this resolution number 600-23 ratifying the memorandum of agreement entered into by the Honorable Governor Henry Iswaminal on behalf of the provincial government of Misamis Occidental with the different local government units of this province represented by its respective chief executives or duly authorized representative pertaining to the use of the ambulance and or rescue vehicle issued to their local government units. Manifested by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader that this be duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 8, resolution dated October 7, 2023 of the Vice Mayor's League of the Philippines supporting Executive Order number 41 of His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. prohibiting collection of pass-through fees on national roads and to suspend the collection of any form of fees upon all types of vehicles transporting goods under Section 153 of or 155 of Republic Act number 7160 or the local government code. I again recommend that this resolution of the Vice Mayor's League of the Philippines be duly noted and record City Council on November 10.
On item number 6, this resolution dated October 7, 2023 of the Vice Mayor's League of the Philippines supporting Executive Order number 41 of His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. prohibiting collection of pass-through fees on national roads and to suspend the collection of any form of fees upon all types of vehicles transporting goods under Section 153 or 155 of Republic Act number 710 or the local government code. Manifested by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader that this be just duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 9, DILG Region 10 message dated October 9, 2020 with subject dissemination of memorandum strongly urging local government units to discontinue collecting fees on transportation of goods on local roads in adherence to Executive Order number 41. Honorable Chair, again, I recommend that this message of Region 10 DLG be just duly noted and record City Council, Honorable Chair.
On item number 9, manifested by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader that this be just duly noted, move and approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 10, DILG Region 10 Advisory dated October 11, 2020 with subject conduct of LGO Junior Officers Week as part of this revision of local government code month. As we know, the month of October, Honorable Chair, is declared as local government code month. So there is a conduct of LGO Junior Officers Week to be held third week or 14th of October, wherein the young people will be allowed to fill in as counterparts of various decisions in local maintenance, as well as in the national interest, if practicable, Honorable Chair, on the 3rd and 4th week of October. We'll await the official communication of the City Mayor on this matter, Honorable Chair. In the meantime, I recommend that the AG didn't obviously be duly noted in the record City Council, Honorable Chair.
On item number 10, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader manifested that this be just duly noted. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 11, quarterly report on real property assessments of the quarter ending September 30, 2023. The record is readily available at the office of Secretary Sunian upon demand by any member of this body. In the meantime, I recommend that this will also be duly noted in the record City Council, Honorable Chair.
On item number 11, quarterly report on real property assessment as of the quarter ending September 30, 2023, moved by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to this item number 11, which just be duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 8, there are no committee reports submitted before this August body. So we proceed to item number 9. Please take up letter C, an assigned basis whereby we have 7 approved insertions. So may I start with the first approved insertion, Honorable Chair? The written request for us to pass a resolution approving the conduct of the quarterly distribution of community assistance monthly statement of accounts on 20 to 22 and 27 to 29 October and 3 to 5 November 2023 by Social Housing Finance Corporation, Northwestern Mindanao Office in Osama City. I now yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Housing and Settlement, Honorable D.P. Siso, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Suizo is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair and the Honorable Majority Floor Leader. This representation would like to pass a resolution approving the conduct of the quarterly distribution of Community Association's monthly statement of account on October 20 to 22 and 27 of the month of October and 3 to 5 the month of November by the Social Housing Finance Corporation of the Northwestern Mindanao Office in Ozami City on first reading with reservation.
Moved by Honorable Suizo to pass this resolution on first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
On this premise, Madam Chair, I would like to pass this resolution on third and final reading, waiving the internal rules on joint motion.
Due to the urgency of this request, moved by the Honorable Suizo to pass this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
One TV special report.